Hi everybody. I didn't put the light on. Hello darling. Hello sweet boy. I knew you wanted to come out. I knew it. Hey, you gonna come out and say hello? Of course you are. Of course you are. You didn't come out yesterday, did you? Hey? And that was on my behalf because I was pretty busy yesterday doing lots of bits and pieces, and I've got my kids dropping in tomorrow for a big lunch, which will be wonderful to catch up with them. I haven't actually seen them for a couple of years, and generally I get down there once a year, but I haven't been able to do it the last couple of years, so I've really missed them. But why I'm doing the video is, as the title of this video is, how does an Aussie girl own a ball python? Well, I don't own her completely myself. As you would know, DEA did an auction recently for her, well, Becky, for her family, and Andrew's family too, of course, but did an auction to raise money. Their house was burnt down in what would be considered to be a freak accident. A big truck ran in and to a place next door, and it caught on fire and it went over to her parents' home, so that was very devastating. But today was the auction, and I couldn't resist not picking up my camera and telling everybody the exciting news that I am part owner of a beautiful ball python. She is 100% het for clown, so I don't know. And to let you know, the wonderful person that went halves with me was Jay's balls, and I can't thank him enough. He just stepped up and said, yeah, I will go halves with you and take care of her for you. What wonderful people. Hey, truly, what wonderful people. There are somebody doing that for somebody they've never met, they don't know. I know Jay through his videos, and I give him, every credit, and I know that she's going to be so well looked after in Jay's care. I haven't got to worry there at all. And he allowed me to name her as well. So her name is Lucy, and I can't wait to get some photos so I can share her with you all. I am really, really excited. I won't physically be able to hold her or touch her or anything like that, but just for the fact that I can finally say that I do have a ball python in my life, because I think they're beautiful and amazing, and if I could have one here with me, I would, absolutely. And I hope that Jay will, of course, breed her and get some beautiful babies from her. That's up to Jay and how he wants to go with that. Pretty sure he needs to find somebody to breed with her for that clown part of her. I'm, as you know, not very good on the genetics of ball pythons, but I'm learning all of the time. So hopefully there will be some clown babies, which, I love the clown. Absolutely don't think you can go very wrong with clowns. well, that's just my opinion. Love them. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to just hearing all about her and what she's like, and how she's doing. And poor Jay will probably be thinking, oh my goodness, you know, Gay is always wondering what's happening and how is she and what's going on and is she okay. And so I apologise now, Jay, before I start on you about it, but I am very excited about having her, without having her. So that's how an Aussie girl gets to be part owners, at least, of a beautiful ball python. And yeah, so that's why I picked up the camera, was for that, and also to show you my cheeky boy down here. And the camera, of course, has gone blurry because I'm down there. Well, put the camera too close, didn't I? And I have to kind of tap the camera a little bit to get it to go in focus. Sorry, buddy, I know I'm not supporting you very well, am I? Is that a bit better for you? Hey? Is that a bit better? Got a bit more of you up here with me. So it's been a bit of a Jack time with videos, and this is going to go up, and this is going to be a video with my brand new camera. I have done others, but I'm not ready to put them up yet because I do have kind of a sequence, as much as you may, well, I'm thinking his head's round there, but it is and it isn't. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh no, don't go down. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You're such a well-behaved boy, aren't you? Hey? And I will be letting Lily out because I know that she was really wanting out, and it was so late last night that I only had her out very briefly, and boy, Lily was so upset with me. And when I say I had her out briefly, guys, you know, I had Lily out for a good 2 hours. That's briefly for Lily. And when I put her home, it seemed like she was going to settle, and I'm thinking, oh, okay, she's going to be okay about all of this. Oh my goodness, honestly, I'll show you how good she was about it all. Like, this was her just moving around and moving all her substrate and saying that was not long enough. So she played up, and I mean played up that I ended up at 11 o'clock last night going to bed. So I didn't see her playing up, and I feel terrible when I do that, but you know, I've got to go to sleep too. And of course I was up a couple of hours later, and I checked on her, and she was all good, and she was settled and whatever, but it's almost like I have to creep in this room so she doesn't realise I'm actually here, because I know that she'd be straight back at the door. And that's the truth, guys. That is what Lily does to me. So yeah, I very sneakily come in and have a bit of a look, and then make my way very quietly back out of the room. And I know that may sound really weird, but it is just the way it is for me, especially with Lily, more I would say than my other guys, but she is certainly that social girl. And Jack wants to go up, but he can't quite do that part of it without Mum's help either, being such a big lug that he is. Okay, I gotcha. But you need to get some sort of a grip up there yourself without pulling everything down on me. I haven't got the humidifier going. It's the humidity's been not too bad, and it rained yesterday, so the humidity has gone up a bit, thank goodness. But struggling, guys, I've been really struggling with it. And apart from misting a few times over the day in their enclosure, there's not been a real lot that I can do. I've actually dampened some tea towels, and my goodness, all these sounds are coming, and put over the top of the glass enclosures to keep some humidity going, which has helped, but certainly wanted to have a little bit more in there. But like I said, I just spray them out and not saturate, but give a good spray out, not on the snake at all, and that seems to help. But of course it very quickly dries up, and I watch that humidity start to fall back down again. So Lily's enclosure really isn't up that far, so I may get that humidifier going. But Jax has been sitting on, well, prior to me opening that door, was at around 49%, which is fine for my coastal. And of course Lily's the same. That's roughly her humidity levels that she requires. So that was kind of it, guys, just my news. I am now, and I must say, a very proud half owner, not owner, you know, own as in I contributed financially, and I'm not going to be a carer, of course. That is going to be Jay's job, not mine, to take really good care of her. So I don't know what you would actually call me in her life, but I know that I will always be sending my love to her all of the time. So from me and Jack right now, he's not moving at all. Are you, Jack? You going to move? Or Mum? Or you just fixated on that spot where Miss Lily has rubbed herself, of course? Yes. Most certainly she has. And he knows that she has. Don't you? So, guys, take care of yourself and your family and your friends. Oh, and your snakes. And all your animals. So yeah, I've got to say it one more time. Lucy is now a part of my family too. Ciao.